This is Dr. Hobbolt, and I'm going to help you with this problem. It says select the equations that represent the picture. So in this tape diagram, let's just see what we notice. We have 1 is our total amount. So I'm just going to make some notes about the diagram. Where we have a total amount is 1. We broke it into a certain number of groups. How many groups do we have? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So we took our total amount of 1. We have a number of groups that we broke it into, 5. And the amount in each group, what's that? How much do we have in each of those groups? 1/5. Okay, so this will help me make some sense of these equations. So let's look at the first one that I've listed. Yours might be in a different order. But if I look at 1 divided by 1/5 equals 5. So I'll write this over here. 1 divided by 1/5 equals 5. So remember, with division equations, our dividend is always going to be our total amount. So this is our total amount. Our dividend is 1. So far, so good. 1/5 could be the amount in each group. And if we use that for our divisor, then our quotient becomes the number of groups. So yes, 1 divided by 1/5 equals 5. That equation does represent this picture. Now let's look at another equation. I'll actually go ahead and erase some of this. Some of my other videos, my page got a little messy. Let's look at 5 times 1 equals 1/5. So with multiplication, we're looking at a number of groups. So 5 would be our number of groups. And in that case, 1 would represent the amount in each group. Well, that's just not true here, and 1/5 would end up being the total amount. So since that doesn't represent the picture, this equation, it's no good. It's actually not even true. 5 times 1, we know that's 5. It's not 1/5. So that's kind of a red flag. Now let's look at 1 divided by 5 equals 1/5. Let's see if this one represents the picture. Our dividend when we divide is always our total amount. The divisor is either going to be the amount in each group that we're making or the number of groups. Here we could choose 5 to be the number of groups. And in that case, the quotient would represent the amount in each group. So does this represent the picture? Absolutely. So in this problem, 1 divided by 1/5 equals 5, and 1 divided by 5 equals 1/5. Both of those equations represent the picture. All right, so thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.